happy with it. They're not upset about that at all.
I need something to scrape.
I guess you can do with those and not wasps. No.
Oh, I'm the same way. I don't like wasps either.
Yeah, I think you know.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
Oh, they are starting to build.
Really?
Yep.
They've been there for a little bit.
Not long, couple hours, maybe a day, maybe a couple hours.
You make any meat?
No, but we have a friend that does.
Nice.
Yeah. Bob Dundas just opened up a brewery on Dundas Street.
All right.
So hi, it's Bruce from Ontario Bee Rescue, and we're saving some bees. Someone called us about bees in a truck cap, wind cap. What do you call these guys?
Yeah, just wind deflector.
Wind deflector. So the bees were all tucked up in underneath here. They've been here a little bit. There's a little bit of wax here, but not much. So they haven't been here that long. So I brought up a frame and some smells they like in a box, and just kind of scraped them off and stuck them in the box. So I'm just letting them let the stragglers get back to the smell. We're really concerned about the bees, and you know, we've got beekeepers all over Ontario, and we're going to make a list for all over Canada. So if you see bees in a ball, normally they're honeybees, and we don't want to kill them. We need them. So that's why we do the Ontario Bee Rescue. Because they're actually really very gentle creatures. So big shout out to Doug Coleman Trucking for calling us and saving the bees. Good work.
Good job, Carl.
If you do see a ball of bees on your fence, on your car, in a tree somewhere, OntarioBeeRescue.com. We've got a list of beekeepers all over Ontario.
Okay.
We will soon have a list of beekeepers in other provinces as
Okay,
well.
I'll let them know.
Thanks so much, and help save the bees.
Okay. All right, bye. Somebody's fueling their truck up right now. 5 bees floating there.
Oh, yeah.
So they must still be over by the pump somewhere.
Yeah, they're just flying around all over. I didn't fuel up. I'm gonna fuel up in the morning. There you go. I'm sure I'll be gone. We'll find something. Find the boss in there?
I just scrape the ball in, usually she's in the middle of the ball.
Yeah.
So,
Keep them warm. Getting chilly.